God is great. Everybody knows that God is great. The devil knows that God is great. No doubt.
Produced by Jates.
Shout out to the producer. Yeah? Follow that guy. But I'm about to spaz on that. Mcpotar.
Always wanted to be rich, self-made, or win the lottery. They say books are way to success. I had a lot to read, never told me a way to access this economy. Bribery, connections, and sex, but my philosophy. Never glorifying the lack of being responsible. Putting in your talent and sweat can make it possible. People may post what they say just for a quotable, but take it if it can heal or kill the obstacle. Thought that proposes that the obstacle's away. The fight is for a minute and the battle for a day. War don't have a limit till the sun is out of rays. Vegetation suffers, then it's animals in pain. My sisters keep reminding me, don't forget to pray. Without them as a blessing, I'd be probably astray. Some schoolmates that I played with, laying in a grave. Got no kids, but my parents had a set about my age. And grew up under racism, Western propaganda. Other men made prisons and they still had arisen. Waking up to make a vision, and then invented me another certified edition. The landowner's back, our land at white evictions. High inflation rates, high teens, fight addictions. What's the right prescription for me? I write in pictures, my bars are citing scriptures on songs. I'm pricing features, I'm strong, and I'm spiritual. I'm wrong, sometimes I'm foolish, that's just how I view it. I save a lot of money from just listening to Eunice, my blood sister. To be exact, Pauline, Influence, and Caroline. Stuff I had failed, I saw her do it. My mom and dad ensured that love was so secure. If money was a pain, smart work could be a cure. I've criticized a lot, but born to be a doer. Now I'm making all this record to tell you how I grew up.
I'm just talking about my life though, you know, and my perspective. We just gotta be building each other all the time, you know what I mean? Follow me, it's Mcpotar. Yeah, man, that's your man. Coming at ya, I love ya. Part of your boy.